Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Fitbit Aria Air scale. First, download the Fitbit application to your smartphone or tablet and set up your personal account. Next, flip the scale over and insert 3 AAA batteries into the battery compartment. Finally, place your scale on a hard, flat surface, such as a tiled floor or hardwood, to ensure you get the most accurate readings possible. Always avoid soft surfaces like carpet, as they can affect precision. Once your scale is set up, open the Fitbit application on your device. Navigate to the account icon, then select Set up a device and choose Aria Air. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your scale via Bluetooth. When prompted, simply step onto the scale barefoot. It will display your weight and then automatically sync this data to your Fitbit application, making tracking effortless. The Fitbit application is your central hub for all your health data. Here, you can easily view your weight trends, body mass index, and overall progress. The Aria Air scale can store up to 8 recent measurements, which will sync automatically to your application when your device is within range. This feature allows you to set personalized weight goals and consistently monitor your journey towards achieving them, providing valuable insights. To ensure you get the most accurate and consistent readings from your Aria Air scale, follow a few simple tips. Try to weigh yourself at the same time every day, ideally in the morning before eating or drinking. Always place the scale on a hard, level surface, avoiding any soft carpets or rugs. Finally, keep the scale's surface clean and dry for optimal and reliable performance over its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.